Alright, I wanted to shoot a quick video and tell you some of the key elements that you need to have in place if you're going to be marketing online and trying to build your team through a marketing funnel. The first thing is you need to make sure that you have your audience picked right. A lot of people forget this. Whether you're marketing to teachers or marketing to coaches or marketing to business people, maybe you're marketing to realtors, whoever you're marketing to, you need to make sure that you've picked that audience and got it narrowed down. You don't want the audience to be too big, but you don't want it to be too small either. So experiment with different audiences, find something that works. The next thing is to get your actual ad up and running the way you want it. So you need to have the ad copy right, and you need to have the picture right. So you're gonna have to split test different pieces of that to make sure that you have that optimized so that it's working well. So ad copy and picture. When they click on it, then they're going to go to your landing page on your funnel. Your landing page on your funnel needs to correspond with the ad that you're running, because if it doesn't correspond well, it's not going to convert well. You got to get your message right, whether you're using video. I think that video increases conversions if it's done well. Test having text with picture, test text with no picture, test just video, test text with video, and then start going through the text and the videos and things of that nature. But you're gonna have to split test those as well. Find out what's working, what's not working. Once they opt into whatever offer you have, then you're gonna have to split test your video. So creating your funnel it builds in layers. So you're gonna build on top of each other. So you gotta get your audience right, then you gotta get your ad and ad copy right, then you gotta get your landing page right, and then your webinar or your training video or your offer, whatever it is, then you got to get that right. And then I like to use youcanbook.me, which is a calendar where people can book an appointment with you. So I like that to be the last step in the funnel. And then people make appointments with you. You simply get in touch with them, follow up, and have a conversation about what you have to offer. And that's a very non-threatening, non-salesy type of conversation. If you do it right, and there's no pressure on either side, but it allows you to go through a lot of numbers. And because there's no pressure, and because you have people who have booked appointments, and you have appointments booked out hopefully for at least a week or two, it actually kind of changes your psyche and how you approach the conversation. Your prospects will feel that, your posture will be different, and your conversion rate and people you sponsor will go up. So I hope that helps. Please subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you on the next video. One more thing that I forgot to mention: if you want to see what kind of funnel we're using and what our funnel looks like, you can click on the link below and I'll put a link to our funnel. Thanks. Have a good day.